Kids know that plastic bottles, bags, and straws are polluting our oceans and clogging our landfills. But do they know how to actually use and implement this knowledge? We need kids to be on board for a plastic-free future, one step at a time. Here are 6 green alternatives you can educate your kids about. Let's get started. Number 1. Bottles and straws. The best way for your kids to replace non-reusable bottles is by using stainless steel ones. And while sipping on that mango juice, use paper or bamboo straws. You can also buy them a personal stainless steel straw to carry everywhere. Number 2. Lunchbox. Making use of stainless steel, Borosil or other eco-friendly lunch boxes will have a much longer lifetime, and it is safer to store food of any temperature. Number 3. Diapers. Instead of using disposable diapers, parents can start using cloth diapers, which are more eco-friendly, economical, and safe for your baby's skin. Number 4. Eating out. Instead of using online food delivery apps to order food, take your child to a restaurant. Use this opportunity to spend quality time with your kid and strengthen your bond, which in turn also reduces the use of plastic cutlery and bags. Number 5. Shopping. On your next visit to the grocery shop, carry that cloth bag. Invest in a good cloth bag for shopping. This also helps personalize your shopping experience. Get a colorful one for your kid too. Number 6. School stationery. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to recycle. Recycle those plastic geometry boxes, rulers, sharpeners, everything that you've got. Give it to a sibling or find someone who needs it. Reuse. Kids learn best from what they see. Let's be the inspiration our kids need and make this plastic-free future a reality. For more exclusive parenting content, visit www.ParentCircle.com, your one-stop shop for everything parenting.